What do we got next? Oh, how about this? The Star Wars plane. United Airlines has a Star Wars plane.
Oh.
And, well, it's kind of like a regular plane, but it's cool because you get certain extra swag if you fly on this plane. If you happen to fly on this plane.
Okay.
Star Wars branded stuff. Now, there's like a cool paint job on the outside. I didn't even know these type of collaborations existed. It's a 737-800, which is flying currently in the United States, some trips to Canada as well. So who knows if we ever, when we start traveling again, you may find yourself on this United flight. You can actually track it and try to arrange your trip around it, maybe.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, this individual documented his experience on this particular plane. He's on his way to Puerto Rico, actually. It was painted to celebrate the release of The Rise of Skywalker, and it has a First Order theme on one side, and on the other side, it has a Resistance theme.
Huh.
And there's like a plaque. As you keep scrolling, you'll see some of the pictures. Now, on the interior, it's not really all that special. Just the headrest is Star Wars specific. So that's not a huge difference. But you get this little package so that all your in-flight stuff is Star Wars specific. So there's like a Star Wars pen. You get some Star Wars socks, Star Wars sleep mask.
Huh.
Are you happy about any of this?
It's fun. Why not?
I just know if my kids found themselves, if we were like traveling on a flight and then it was like, oh, we got the Star Wars plane.
Yeah.
It would be a fun moment.
Uh-huh. Out of all the planes, it's nice that there's only one and then you can track it and go on it, and it's special.
So actually, United isn't the only one that did a Star Wars collaboration. There's an airline in Japan called ANA, and they did 3 different Star Wars jets. And one of them was that R2-D2 design.
Oh, right. Yeah, we saw this one.
Which is pretty cool. And they had a C-3PO design, as you can see there. Which is your favorite look?
Out of these two?
I think there's, well, if you include United one, so there's 3. You got R2-D2, C-3PO, and then theirs is like a generic Star Wars with some fighters on it.
I'll go with the C-3PO.
That's a cool looking jet. I was going to say the exact same. The way the wings are white and then in the center is gold.
Yeah, and that robot's underappreciated.
Oh, you're a big C-3PO guy.
Yeah, I think he's cool.
Nice.